Welcome to Sowmya Tutorials. This presentation covers the key concept in information and communication technology, which is relevant to UGC NET examination, KSET examination, KPSC, and also the KEA examination in India. Let's begin with the next slide. So here, this is a question which is related to the storage unit sizes. The question is that which of the following is the correct order from the smallest to the largest for the storage unit? So these are all options: terabyte, petabyte, exabyte, and zettabyte in the option A. The option B, petabyte, exabyte, zettabyte, terabyte. Option C, exabyte, zettabyte, terabyte, and petabyte. The last option is zettabyte, exabyte, petabyte, and terabyte. So this is a detailed explanations about this question. The correct order of the storage unit, which is from the smallest to largest. So here this is a table which is having the storage unit from the smallest to the largest. So according to this table, the first is the terabyte, then go to the petabyte, then exabyte, then zettabyte. So option A is the correct answer. So in this table, which is understanding the storage hierarchy, is crucial for the data management and also the system architecture. The first is that the bit. The bit for what? Binary digit. The binary digit, this capacity is that either it is 1 or it is a 0. Then the second is a byte. The sequence of 8 bits together, that we can call it as a what? Byte. The next third is the 1 kilobyte. The 1 kilobyte, which represents the capacity 1024 byte. Then megabyte, the 1 megabyte, which represents the 1024 kilobyte. Then gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte, hexabyte, zettabyte, and yottabyte. So these are all the data storage unit measurements. So in our question, the option A, which is a correct answer or order of the storage units from the smallest to largest. Next question is that what is a plotter? The question is the term plotter is best described as. So in the following options, we choose the correct answer. So option 1 is an input device to produce a good quality graphics. Option 2 is an output device to produce a drawings and a graphics. Option 3 is a fast storage device for storing a good quality of graphics. Option 4 is a multi-purpose device for taking the inputs as well as the output. So plotter. Plotter, it is an example for what? Output devices. So among these options, now which one is the output device option? That is option number 2. An output device to produce a drawings and a graphics. The plotter is a specialized output device that produces high quality drawings and graphics using some pens. So unlike printers, the plotter draws the continuous lines, resulting in the precise and detailed images. So that in this question, the option number 2, that is a correct answer. The next question is related to the e-commerce. What is an e-commerce? E-commerce encompasses the buying and selling the goods and services via the internet. This includes a wide range of the transactions from retail sales to the digital subscriptions. So these transactions are typically completed electronically, although the payment may sometimes occur upon physical receipts of goods. So commerce, which primarily involves. So among these options, option B is a correct answer. E-commerce, it is the process of buying and selling of the products and services via the internet. This is a right option. So this is the explanations of e-commerce. The option D is a correct answer. Thank you for watching.